One of today's hot topics is about how to make money online. There are lots of ways by which one can earn money with their computer and work at home. One should be very careful too while trying to earn from home, because there are lots of cheaters around the World Wide Web that may try to cheat you. With or without having to make an investment, one can earn money on the internet by investigating some of the ways by which one can earn money online. 1. Get paid to view ads. There are lots of websites that offer users and its members money for viewing ads. Each ad is specified with some amount of money. When the user views or clicks the ad, they get paid for that. Likewise, daily members need to click ads on the website, and once the member reaches the minimum payment specified by the website, then they can withdraw money from the website through online payment processors like PayPal or AlertPay. 2. Get paid to answer surveys. Websites offer its members surveys that are sponsored by major multinational companies. Members need to answer the surveys, and will be paid a specified amount for answering that specified survey. Once the user reaches the minimum amount of money gathered by answering the surveys, then they can withdraw their earning by check or by online payment processors, or can ask for gift vouchers, etc. 3. Get paid to doing micro jobs. There are some websites like microworkers.com, shortask.com, which offer micro jobs that are posted by requesters. Workers need to complete those micro jobs and need to submit proof to the requester. Based on the proof submitted, the requester will pay the worker for the job they completed. Once the minimum amount specified by the website is reached by the user, then they can withdraw funds through online payment processors like PayPal or AlertPay, etc. 4. Get paid to do jobs in Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon offers a website called mturk.com which offers HITs that are started by requester, and those HITs are attended and completed by the workers. Workers earn money for each hit they complete. They can withdraw their earning at any time. mturk offer many options to workers by which they can withdraw funds. US workers can withdraw money to their bank account. Indian workers can ask for check that can be deposited in their bank account. Also, workers can ask for Amazon gift card for the money they earned in mturk.com. Click the link in the description for more information.